In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Chrome Autofill step by step so you can save time every day when signing in, checking out online, and filling out forms. If you've ever been tired of typing the same passwords, card details, and address information over and over again, this guide is for you. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are signed into the correct Chrome profile because Chrome autofill settings are tied to the profile you're using. If you have multiple profiles, double check that you're in the one you actually want to save your passwords and personal information to. Now, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down list, click Settings. This will open Chrome settings in a new tab where you can control everything related to autofill, passwords, and saved information. Once you're in settings, look at the left-hand menu and click autofill and the passwords. Here you'll see the main areas that Chrome can manage for you, including password manager, payment methods, and addresses, and more. These are the sections that control how Chrome saves and fills in your information automatically. Let's start with password autofill. Click Google Password Manager, then click Settings on the left side. Here you want to turn on Offer to save passwords. Once this is enabled, Chrome will ask if you want to save your login details whenever you sign into a website. That means the next time you return to that site, Chrome can help fill in your username and password much faster. If you want an even smoother experience, you can also check your sign-in options and make sure Chrome is ready to automatically fill saved passwords when available. This is especially helpful if you use the same websites regularly and want to avoid constantly resetting or retyping your login details. Next, let's set up Payment Autofill. Go back to Autofill and Passwords, then click Payments. On this page, turn on Save and Fill Payment Methods. This allows Chrome to store your card details securely so it can help complete checkout forms faster when you're shopping online. If you want to add a payment method manually, click Add. Then enter your card number, the name on the card, and the expiration date. After that, click Save. Once saved, Chrome can autofill your payment details during checkout, which makes online purchases much quicker and much more convenient. Now, let's move on to Address Autofill. Go back again to Autofill and Passwords, then click Contact Info. Here, turn on Save and Fill Addresses. This lets Chrome remember your personal information so it can fill out shipping forms, account forms, and contact fields automatically. To add your address information, click Add. Then enter your name, address, phone number, and email address. When you're done, click Save. From now on, Chrome can use that information to autofill forms whenever it sees a matching field, and that's really the full setup. Once password saving, payment methods, and address autofill are turned on, Chrome becomes much more useful for everyday browsing. You'll save time signing in, checking out, and filling out forms, and you won't have to type the same details again and again. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.